practical evidence that, is there any study available that shows that processes do reduce cost indeed?
Yeah. There are a lot of studies available. Mainly not based on automotive spies, because there is no company, no institution that is really collecting these kind of numbers from all automotive companies. With CMMI it was a little bit different. There's the CMMI Institute collecting also results from assessments, and they also create a lot of statistics in order to prove that the maturity of companies is increasing and that the costs are reduced. But with automotive spies it's the same situation. As you mentioned, first of all you have to invest in order to define and establish processes. And if you only look to the development phase of a product, then even on a long-term basis, you will not have less costs. So you have to extend the scope. You have to have a look on the development phase and also the production and operation phase. Because if you look to the problems you have during operation, if you have a work product that was developed according to SPICE or a similar standard, you will have less faults in the field. So the effort you have to spend to fix the problems is much, much lower. So if you combine the costs for development with the costs for fixing problems during operation, overall you will have lower costs if you have a good mature process in place. But most of the companies only look to the development phase, which means development is more expensive with processes, right? Because you have to think about a good way of documentation, a good way of defining requirements and architecture, and this means you need time in order to document requirements, good requirements, the right requirements. You have aligned the requirements with your customers and stakeholders, and this needs time. If you don't have these processes in place and just start to code something, to implement something, then probably the functionality will be fulfilled. But the risk that there are faults in the software or the customer expectations are not completely fulfilled is much, much higher. So, to summarize it, development effort will increase with processes, but overall costs will be decreased.